In the quiet forests of western China lives a bird as bright as fire. The golden pheasant, nature's living masterpiece. Its golden crest shines like sunlight woven into feathers. A blend of red, orange, and gold that looks hand-painted. It moves silently through bamboo thickets and mountain shrubs.
Its long, elegant tail adds balance and beauty.
The female is camouflaged, quiet, brown, and gentle. Together, they search for seeds, berries, shoots, and small insects.
Their life begins in a simple ground nest, safe under thick cover. Chicks hatch with natural camouflage, tiny sparks of new life. Within days, they begin exploring the world under their mother's watchful eye. As they grow, young males slowly transform into living jewels.
During courtship, the male spreads his cape-like feathers in a glowing fan. A dance of color, meant to impress and mesmerize.
The female chooses her mate with quiet intuition.
Despite its bright colors, it can vanish in a moment. Patterns and movement help it disappear into the forest.
Its world is a sanctuary of misty mountains and ancient trees.
Here, the golden pheasant reigns with quiet elegance. Every corner of the forest offers life and protection. Each feather reflects the artistry of evolution.
In autumn, the forest becomes a mirror of its own colors. At dusk, its silhouette glows like a torch in fading light. Every movement carries both grace and confidence.
Shy by nature, it prefers the safety of shadows. Quick on its feet, it easily escapes danger. When sunlight touches it, the forest comes alive with color. A living symbol of beauty, mystery, and ancient heritage. The golden pheasant, a masterpiece of nature, forever shining in silence.